Unlock hidden revenue right now. People want to buy, but can't. There's money just waiting for you to claim. Fix accessibility, and that locked money starts flowing in. Simple changes can make a big difference instantly. You instantly unlock hidden revenue the moment you remove invisible barriers blocking willing buyers from saying yes. Right now, this very second, people are landing on your website, scrolling, hovering, and then just leaving quietly. They're not leaving because they don't want your offer. Something in their experience makes buying hard or confusing. It's not a traffic problem, that's trapped revenue, money left abandoned because of avoidable purchase obstacles. Every extra click, unclear button, unreadable section, every moment of friction creates doubt and hesitation in customers. Doubt is the enemy of conversion. When customers feel uncertain about trust, navigation, or relevance, they back away. Their brain shifts from buying mode to self-protection. They leave, and your revenue disappears right along with them. But when you fix accessibility, something powerful happens. You remove hesitation, you create clarity, you build trust instantly. Accessible design doesn't just serve a niche, it serves everyone. It makes your site faster to navigate, easier to understand, and smoother to buy from. That means fewer abandoned carts, higher conversion rates, and more completed purchases from the same traffic you already have. You're no longer paying more to acquire customers. You're simply capturing the ones you've been missing all along. And here's the emotional truth. Customers remember how easy you made it for them. When buying feels effortless, they associate your brand with relief, confidence, and satisfaction. That's what turns one purchase into repeat revenue. So this isn't just optimization, it's recovery. Recovery of lost opportunities, lost trust, and most importantly, lost money that was already yours. Fix accessibility and you don't chase revenue, you release it. So are you ready to increase revenue through accessibility and inclusivity? Contact us today. Click the link or enter your email address.